This fallacy is the opposite of the fallacy of division. It is sometimes referred to as the part-to-whole fallacy. The fallacy of composition involves an assumption that the characteristics of the parts are identical to the characteristics of the whole. In other words, the whole is assumed to be composed of identical parts. For example, 1. The woman who rear-ended me was Asian. All Asians must be terrible drivers. 2. Some living creatures exhibit signs of consciousness. Therefore, all living creatures must be conscious. 3. The cake recipe calls for salt. It must be a salty tasting cake. 4. The terrorists who attacked us were Muslim. Therefore, all Muslims are terrorists. If one ingredient of a recipe has a certain taste, this does not entail that the final product will taste like the ingredient. Likewise, simply because a member of a group or class is a certain way, this does not necessarily mean that the entire group or class is the same. Members of religious, political parties and ethnic groups are all extremely diverse. However, due to this fallacy, stereotypical ways of thinking are common. We must be aware of stereotypes and other fallacies of composition.